Moscow's military capabilities have increasingly come under pressure as its armed forces continue to engage in a protracted conflict in Ukraine. In a significant move to bolster troop numbers, Russian President Vladimir Putin announced in mid-September plans to add 180,000 personnel to the military ranks. In tandem with this troop expansion initiative, President Putin has introduced new legislative measures aimed at providing defendants in criminal cases with an opportunity to evade prosecution by enlisting in the Russian military. This new law represents an amendment to existing provisions within the Russian Criminal Code, which previously allowed convicts and suspects whose cases were under investigation but not yet adjudicated to be released or have their cases suspended for military service. The updated legislation, which was published on a government website on Wednesday, expands these provisions to include defendants whose cases are currently in the trial phase but not formally under investigation. This means that individuals facing legal challenges may now have a pathway to serve in the military as a means of avoiding prosecution. Furthermore, the law stipulates that if a service member is discharged from the military due to age, health issues, or the eventual cessation of martial law, any sentences or legal proceedings against them could be entirely nullified. This provision is particularly relevant given that Russia enacted martial law in October 2022, approximately 6 months following the onset of its full-scale invasion of Ukraine. These recent developments occur against the backdrop of significant strain on Russia's military resources, which have been heavily depleted after 2.5 years of sustained combat in Ukraine. In response to this challenging situation, the Russian government has ramped up military spending and is actively pursuing strategies to recruit additional troops, reflecting the urgent need to reinforce its armed forces amid ongoing hostilities.